Hi there, my name is Shay from Crafting with Shay. I'm going to be partnering with Munimade, so I just wanted to introduce myself and say hello. I do have a YouTube channel. I have been diamond painting for about 4.5 years, and I've had my YouTube channel for about 3.5. So Munimade and I thought it would be a wonderful partnership for me to do her kit previews. So if you want to come check out some other of my videos, you are welcome to, but you will probably just hear my voice in the future and my hands, and I will be showing you all the amazing kits that Munimade has to offer. I'm so thankful to be able to do that for you guys and for her. So welcome, and yeah, go check me out over at my channel. And again, definitely go subscribe to Munimade if you have not. Give her video a thumbs up, okay? So shall we? Do you want to go see some kits? All right, let's go do this. Come on, let's go. So let's go ahead and look at today's kit preview. It is a precious fairy with her little adorable little mouse friend right here, and they've got some hearts coming up. Look at how beautiful she is. They are leaning on this, they're like in a forest, and there's this really pretty mushroom right here. Kind of the focal point in the front of the painting. So you get the mushroom, the fairy, kind of got, like I said, the forest. You've got the beautiful colors. There's pinks, purples. I am loving this painting so much. So let's talk about the details, okay? All right, the name of this canvas is Fairy Haven Harmony, and there's the original artwork. It is licensed artwork by Kikowa, and the details are, it's a square, that's the diamond shape, square diamonds. The diamond amount is 57,600. The image size is a 60 by 60 in centimeters, or a 23.6 by 23.6 in inches. And it does have 54 colors, okay? So in those 54 colors, we do have 5 shimmer drills and 3 ABs, okay? And we're gonna see where those go in just a minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at this sheet. This entire sheet is a sticker, so you can use this for your logbook if you'd like to, this entire side. And then these are stickers that are individually cut. So you just peel and stick and put them right on your storage containers. And I do like how the ABs, all the special drills and the shimmers are identified in separate colors on these stickers. Love that. So let's go ahead and see what else there is with it. I'm so excited. All right, here is the color palette. Beautiful purples, pinks, some yellows, oranges. These are individually bagged and in order. You don't even need to kit up, okay? So beautiful color palette. Let's see where these ABs and these shimmer drills go. Now, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, and it's a special coating they put on the drills to make them sparkle just a little bit brighter. So you can see we have a purple, a pink, and then a lighter purple. This is like a darker one, okay? So let's see where these go. All right, our first one is 3834, and that's gonna be in the bottom of the painting, okay? Down here, I do see it in the very corner, kind of that deep purple right here, and then a little splash right here in the bottom of the mushroom, okay? So just a little bit of accent. It's just a little dark color. It's gonna have a little shimmer at the bottom, so that's gonna be really pretty. Love that. And then we're also gonna look at, let's see, we've got this pink, which is 963, and that is going to be the @ symbol. And I see it all over the place. It's very spaced out, which is awesome. First place I see it, the small outer rim of the mushroom right here, I can see it right here. Okay, so right here along the edge of the mushroom. And then I also see it in the mouse. Got a little bit on his chest and in his ears and in his feet, okay? And then we also see it in her shirt. So it's in her top right here. And then the tip of the right wing, I do see some over here. And then the top left corner of the tree right here, it's also in the leaves, okay? That's beautiful, that really pretty pale pink. And then we have our third AB is this really light lavender 210. And that's gonna be in the bottom of her dress, kind of just right here in the kind of the back of her dress right here. Kind of the tools, what I'm kind of envisioning it being, okay? Right there. All right, so shimmer. Let's look at these shimmer drills. Y'all, there's 5 of them. We've got 3865, 819, 600, 552, and then 153. Now, shimmer drills are drills that have just a lighter coating, kind of a dusting on top of them. This is a big bag right here. Let's see where this one goes. Oh, this is gonna be in the wings, okay. It's the 2 little dots right here. So this all this light color that you see all here, all this color blocking is all this AB, along with this area here, and then of course this entire wing right here is going to be this color. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, and then our next one so that one was a white, okay, kind of like a white, and this is 819, a little bit of a softer pink, kind of like a cream. So this is going to be also in the wings. So you're going to have these two colors. It's this other color that you see in the wings. So this gray one was right here, and here, this whole area right here, let me get the glare off, all this, that is going to be just gorgeous. I love that. Okay, and let's see, our next shimmer is 600. It's almost like a fuchsia color. This is going to be the center of the mushroom, kind of the bottom. Okay, I see it right here. It's going to be in this section of the mushroom. I see a little bit right here and a little bit over here. So kind of just a little bit in the mushroom right here, kind of that hot pink, kind of that fuchsia color. And then next we have 48, which is 552. It's another shimmer drill, really pretty purple. So for all you purple and pink lovers, you are going to just love this. Okay, this is at the bottom, left center, kind of right here. I see it down here. It's that purple you see, that lighter purple. I see it over here on the sides, okay? And I also see it down here in this leaf. All right, so it's gonna be down here in the bottom and a little bit right here on the mushroom. And I do see a tad right here on her dress, right here on the top of her dress right here, okay? All right, and the last shimmer drill is 153, so it's a really pretty pink. This is gonna be also in her dress. Okay, it's right along here, kind of this back petal of her dress right here. If you love fairies, if you just love a sweet, I mean, look at this, it's just gorgeous. Okay, so Munimade offers a premium toolkit. So if you want to upgrade to that, what you can do is, these are going to be the colors that you'll get with this particular kit. There is a large blush pink tray. Now this is just a swatch, this is just a sample. It will be a lot bigger than this, but this is the color. It will have a lid and a stopper, okay, so you'll get this. And then you can also upgrade to an extra large purple bag, a dust bag, okay? It is drawstrings. It can just keep it, you know, protected while it's being stored, okay? And it's really cute. So this is the color. You'll get the extra large purple. And then another upgrade, Munimade is now offering extendable carrying tubes. It's also got her logo right here. And you just notch it to make it smaller or larger. And of course, it just comes right off. And what's also offered is a tag. And what you can do with the tag is you can put your tag right here on the strap, or you can also place it in your drill pack so you know what painting these drills go to. Again, this is available now at munimade.com, so go grab it. And until next time, take care and I'll see you then. Okay.